Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's your name, man? What's all in here real quick?
I've got tar ramps 8K, they're wired to 2 ohms, so it's only 5K right now. North Star battery, 2 more AGMs, Scars ZVX 18s, and 20 cubic foot box, 5 cubes in port, tar amps, 4 channel down here.
Okay. Have you metered it yet?
Now, this guy's over here, and he's gonna help me meter it.
Okay.
I've just built it in the past probably month and a half.
Nice. Looks good, and you optimize your space all the way across, so it's a really big box. Yeah. How does it like the lows, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I typically go down about, it's 2 to 27.
Okay.
I probably don't go any lower than 20.
Okay.
But yeah.
All right.
So we'll
Yes,
go
sir.
25 or 35.
All right. Demo time.
These niggas don't. Chevy. I'm riding around in this Chevy. I'm riding around.
Dude, that likes the lows. You're right.
I'm overpowering it right now.
Do you know what it's peaking at?
No, I haven't done anything.
Nothing.
So,
Okay.
We got over here. My buddy's got someone around here at a meter.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna look it up, see what we get.
Okay.
I wanted to go through the lanes, but
Yeah.
this is the first time I've ever been here.
Yes, sir. Okay. And your name was Luke?
Yeah.
All right. Nice to meet you, Luke. Jacob. Thanks for the demo, man.
I should have swore you were Jacob Viral.
Yep, Jacob Ball. Yes, sir. I do a lot of cardio videos. Jacob Ball right here.
Yeah. I'm gonna get some FI BTL 18s, the BTL 4s.
You'll have a lot more motor force
Yeah,
with those.
exactly.
And you might be able to
go
even
to 8K,
double.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I might even go to a 12K.
Yep. Awesome.
ZBX 18s.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. Can I see the back one more time for a picture? And I appreciate the demo, Luke.
Awesome.
Nice to meet y'all.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.